Welcome into the shop, everybody. It's great to have you here. I want to do a quick introduction on this video to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. So this is an old barrel stave from a bourbon barrel that I got from our local brewery, and I really bounced around on what I wanted to make out of these. I have a bunch of these left over, and I landed on a bow and arrow, a little mini bow and arrow for my kids. So this project starts as me making a bow, which quickly doesn't really work out because it's not long enough. This is about 22 inches from tip to tip, and it's got the steam bent curve, but it's not enough curve. So I had to kind of improvise and turn it into a crossbow, which actually worked out really well. So we ended up making a really nice handcrafted crossbow out of two of these staves in this video. I want to preface all of this by saying I don't know anything about bow making. I know a little bit, but not much, or crossbow making. And I don't do a lot of research when I do these videos. I just dive in and build it because I think that's the funnest way to do it. Anyone out there with experience in crossbow making or bow making, shoot me a comment. Let me know some things I could have done differently or better. Definitely in my mind, this is a prototype. I can make a second one a lot better having done it once and learned so much from that. So let's just jump right in and get started. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy the video. Oh, it smells so good. It smells delicious. this is it, all done. It really came out looking nice. Obviously I've got just regular string on here. I don't really know what the proper thing to use, but it works pretty good. Basically how you're going to use this is just pull this string down, clip it right around that little kind of shoulder we cut out with the saw. You see how that's holding it? I shaped a little curve on it so there's no hard edges on your string wearing it, and then this is just push this down, and it's got the two little fingers there that just pop that string off and fire the dart, or I should call it a bolt. I've been calling these darts, but I think proper terminology for these is bolts. I could have made really cool one of these, but I didn't really have the time. So I found these on Amazon, super cheap. I got 36 of these for like 10 bucks, and they work great. They're just aluminum with a metal tip, and I put a little groove on the back, and they can just pop right in and sit in there like that and fire off nicely. Put this groove here on the front is a 1/2 inch. I couldn't find a bolt that was a 1/2 inch, or 3/8 would be ideal. So a 1/4 inch is a little loose in there. It would be nice to have something a little bit better. When it comes out the string, when you're shooting it, the dart tends to be a little bit off plane. So it's hard to be super accurate with this, but it works, and it's great for the kids. They love shooting it, and it's not overly dangerous. You know, it doesn't have a high velocity. It shoots about 40 yards, 30 to 40 yards. It's really difficult to explain to a 7 and 5-year-old the danger that this is, especially with one of these bolts in there with a metal tip. So having something that's not overly powerful is probably a good thing. I put a little bit of epoxy on the front there to kind of just strengthen those outside fibers, and then I love the look of the back where you got the burn char on there, and then I've used walnut for the trigger. So just a fun, really cool little project. Hang this one on the wall and, you know, shoot at targets. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I'm going to end this video with some cool footage of me trying to teach the kiddos how to fire this thing. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Okay, here's the deal. This is a little bit dangerous, so y'all can only use this with me, okay? Okay, here it is. Check it out.
Whoa, slingshot.
What do you think, bud? Not a slingshot. Hold on. It's called a crossbow. It shoots arrows, kind of like a bow and arrow.
Where's the arrow?
Hold on, don't touch it. Oh, hey. See, I got to teach you how to use it first.
Daddy?
It's a bad idea to dry fire it. So this is how it works. You grab it.
Where's the bow and arrow?
I'll show you in a second. I didn't put the arrow in it because I knew you push this and it goes off, okay? Yeah. Alright, you guys ready to see how it works? Okay, Johnny, you want to go first?
Yeah. Can we use it for animals? Yeah, we can use it for animals. Yeah.
Here's this. Don't touch the trigger yet, remember?
Okay.
Okay, now when you aim, don't aim it at the building, aim down at that can.
Okay, am I going to shoot it?
No, don't shoot it in the air because we'll never find the arrow. Shoot it at the can.
Okay.
And take your thumb off the trigger because I'm going to put the dart in. Now leave your thumb off. Now aim it. Is that where you want to shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, now shoot it.
That mark.
We're going to need a better shooting range. Scratched my building up. Yeah! Direct hit, bud.
Ready.
Okay, Junie, you want to go? Let me come to this side of you. Okay, you ready? Uh-oh, shot over the top.
I'm just going to go behind.
Okay, push the button when you're ready. Yeah!
Another skull.
Nailed it. Okay, Johnny, your turn, bud. Oh. See how it helps? If you hold it up, you can sight your eye right down the thing and shoot it.
Okay.
Hold it up where you can. Hold on, hold the dart. You hold this and get it all sighted. Hold it in your hands. Perfect. Perfect. Now hold it up higher. That's right. See how you can look up. Okay, perfect. You hit the box, you just hit the stick. Good job. Your turn, bud. Nice shot, bud.
Okay, good turn.
Come here, Jeb. Okay, Jerry, pull the trigger. Yeah!